Hello, so this week we are reading a story called How Animals Communicate. And these are some of the words to know, or the vocabulary words. For the number one is the word of. This bunch of flowers smells sweet. Number two is how. How do cats see in the dark? Number three is make. She will make a loud sound in music class. Number four is some. The boy sees some cows in the field. Number five is why. Why do some people like a sour taste? And number six is animal. This animal feels soft when the girl pets it. In the story of how animals communicate, we are looking at the main idea and the details. This is an informational text. Informational stories do have real pictures and facts about the topic. The essential question is, how do animals communicate? Animals touch. An animal will tug and grab. An animal can hug its baby. How do elephants hug? Animals hear. The dog and cat are friends. How can you tell? What is in the grass? Animals can hear it. They will run away from it. A bird will sing. Here I am. A wolf will call to its pack. Here I am. Animals see. Why will a dog press its legs down? It will let dogs see I can play. Some bees will buzz and dance if they find food. Animals smell. A mom can tell the smell of its baby. An animal can have a bad smell. It will make animals run away from it. Touch, see, hear, and smell. Tell what the mom can do. Again, we are looking at main idea and details of this story. So the main idea is how animals communicate. They communicate by touch, hearing, seeing, and smelling. Thank you.